Wow, look at snow. It's snowing like crazy. This is my balcony and it's covered with snow. Wow, look at the trees outside. Welcome to Toronto, Canada. It's snowing and we are in January. Woohoo! Wow, amazing. Look at the snow. Wow, this is our storm. In Jamaica, they get hurricane, but we get snowstorm. Woohoo! Wow, look at the glass thing there. You see the snow pile on top of it? That's how it is here. I love it. Yay. It's very good. Yeah. Wow, look at the storm. The snowstorm. Major snowstorm in Toronto. Wow, look at snow coming down. We're getting a major snowstorm. This is the biggest one since this year started, 2026. And it has been snowing. Today is Thursday. And today is what, the 15th, January 15th. It has been snowing since about 7 o'clock Wednesday evening. And it's continued all night, pouring down like crazy. And it should finish this afternoon, sometime in the afternoon. And they were warning people from yesterday that this morning is gonna be terrible for people who going to work, who commute in the morning. Yep, I'm not going to work until in the afternoon when it should be cleaned up by the snow plow. But this is a major, 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 major snowstorms, and it's really cold outside at the same time. Look at the snow. Wow, look. And you could see the piled up. This is over, this is about 20 centimeters so far, or more, I don't know. But there's a lot of snow outside. Woohoo! Snowstorm in Toronto. And so, guys, the snow is continue. It's continue. Lots of snowstorm. Look at the snow piled up. It's just piling up. A lot of snow. The visibility is very, very poor outside. And you can barely see far, you know. This is the first major snowstorm for Toronto 2026 this year. And it's really piling up. I can imagine we have maybe about over 20 centimeters right now. Depends on where you are. And it's coming down really, really hard with the wind too. Coming down hard with the wind. Can barely see, you know, visibility is not good. And it's really cold too because it's minus 15 right now. Minus 15. So that is cold. Really cold. Yeah, welcome to Toronto, guys. So this is what we get here when you live in North America. January month can be really, really terrible when it comes to snow down into February. You know, as I said, the snow is falling from last night, about 7 p.m. last night, and it went all night Wednesday night. And it's still continuing. And as the weather report information that it might finish about 1:45, quarter to 2 this afternoon. Yeah. So if you like snow, guys, welcome to Toronto. For those who like to do snow skiing and whatever, Beautiful, white and pretty. Sure is a lot. This reminds me back in the 80s where we used to get a lot of snow. We haven't get a lot. Even last year, we didn't get so much snow last year. You know, quite a while. We haven't get this amount of snow. So it's gonna be a lot of cleanup for the snow plows and the city to clean up all this snow after it finish. Because even if they clean it right now, by the time they clean it, it accumulated again. Right. But this is how it is in Toronto when it snow. Yes, guys. So I'll be going to work later on and I have my snow tires on. And once you bungle up, which means that you dress properly, dress warm with your winter boot, your toot and your gloves, and your car is nice and warm, we shall be very fine. Okay, guys? Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to leave a comment. Tell me if you like snow. Tell me if you don't like snow. Tell me if you ever experienced snow, whether or not. But if you live in Toronto here or in the US or these country where it snow, when it snow, it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It's coming down, 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 non-stoppable until this afternoon. Remember to subscribe, share, and give the video a like, guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for my subscribers. And if you're here for the first time, you can find me at Live with Kenny underscore capital G. And thank you so much, guys. Wow, snow continue. Snow continue. Look at the amount of snow on the ground. The balcony is full. Look, full of snow. If I should go on the balcony now, right now, that would pass my knee, above my knee for sure. Look up there. Look up there. See the mark? That snow pile up there. Look on the balcony rail. Got the glass rail there. Piled up. That's about like 10 feet. 10 inches, sorry. But I'm sure we probably about maybe 24 centimeters now or 30 centimeters of snow. That's a lot of snow there. Really interested to see what the driving is gonna be like, you know. And it's now like 1 o'clock. It should be finished around about 1:45. So really interested to see what's gonna happen later. But I'm pretty sure the snow plow they're out there now plowing for sure and taking care of things and salting the road. Okay, guys. Look, guys. Still coming down all the way. All the way. Snow all the way. Snowing, snowing, snowing. And more snow. Mmm. Amazing. Amazing. We haven't get this in a long time. For sure. I can see cars out there going through slowly. Very slowly. Snow falling off the roof. And it's coming down. See how hard it's coming down? See how hard? Major snowstorm. Okay, guys, tell me if you like snow. Tell me if you ever experienced a snowstorm like this before. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, please, and please share the video. See you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye. Later.